G'day everyone, welcome to Brushes with Beck. This is another coloured pencil unboxing and first impressions video. This is the 120 set of Faber-Castell Polychromos pencils. Once again, I ordered these from the artshop.com.au. I found that they had great prices. The shipping was incredibly fast. It was express shipping even though it didn't specify on the website, nor did I request express shipping. So I ordered the Wednesday night and they arrived Friday afternoon, which was amazing because it means I have them for the weekend. Now they came beautifully packaged, no problems with delivery from that store. The pencils themselves have come in this cardboard box for extra padding as well. And here you can see the tin. Now, I do already have a set of Faber-Castell Polychromos, but it is only the set of 12. So this is a huge difference for me. Obviously, 10 times the amount of pencils when there's 120 pencils in here. I'm just going to flip this over. So on the back, obviously it's got all the colours. Each colour has a star next to it, which is in regards to the light fast rating. 3 stars is the highest light fast rating, 1 star is the lowest. So there are a lot of 3-star pencils in this set, which is fantastic. It says they're high quality, acid-free pigments in bright colours, unsurpassed light fastness, soft vibrant colour laydown, water resistant and smudge proof, 3.8mm lead, high break resistance due to secural bonding process, which basically just means that the core of the pencil is bonded to the barrel, so far as I can tell. So let's get this open. Let's attempt to get this open. Ta-da! Alright. So the pencils come packed in a tin. The tin actually has a hinged lid. I know some tins just have a lid that you remove, but this lid is hinged. So we've got an ad for the Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer pencils, which are their, I believe they're their watercolour pencils. Yes. And then we have, can we just take a moment? I just need to take a moment to appreciate this colour range. Wow. How many reds can one person need? I think I may have over-purchased on the number of colours that I now own. Let's see. So this booklet is basically about the history of Faber-Castell, founded in 1761. Lots of different languages. So Polychromos were launched in 1908. So they've been around a long time, which means you'd hope they know what they're doing. There's a few different tips on how to use the pencils, different shading methods, blending methods. Suggests that light colours are transparent while dark colours are opaque. Talks about colour gradients and how you can create highlights. It says you can dissolve them with paraffin oil or baby oil and use them for painting in that regard. I know some people use odorless mineral spirits and Gamsol or Zestet pencil blender. Accessories. The different sets that you can get of the Faber-Castell, 12, 24, 36, 60 and 120 colours. And then in different packaging there's the wooden box and a cardboard one. And then here's the range of colours. It shows the light fastness and which set these colours are included in. Alright, let's get on to the pencils, the really exciting part. Now, I am not going to swatch all of these colour pencils in this video. I will probably do it myself so I have a reference, but I haven't done it yet. If I've done it before I get around to uploading this video, I will insert like a picture of all the colour swatches at some point during the video. We might swatch a few out. So there's these little handles, elasticy handles on the edge, so you can lift up the trays, which is really convenient. Oh, look at all those blues and greens. Wow. I just don't know when I'm going to use all these colours. Like, I'm going to have to, like, purposely find ways to use them because there are so many. This is a lovely, I love green. Green is my favourite colour. And then the third tray, ooh, is like pinks and peaches, yellows. They look very similar. Browns, and these beautiful collection of greys. And then there's these 3 metallic pencils, which I'm not sure that I'll really use much, but they could be fun. So the greys, I'm actually really excited about the greys, as sad as that sounds, because in a 12 set, there's no greys. I have a 24 set of Prismas, there's no greys in that either. So I find that quite limiting, especially since I've been wanting to draw my cat, one of my cats, and she is actually a predominantly grey cat. And I can get grey by mixing, you know, black and white and some sort of greys and whites and whatever else, but I said greys and white, I meant blues and whites, but it's not quite the same. And now I've got an assortment of warm greys. Let's have a look here. So I've got warm grey 5. I can't get these pencils out. Okay, warm grey 5. Oh, sorry, warm grey 6. I can't even. Warm grey 6, 5, 4. I'm assuming it's 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then we've also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cool greys. So now I've got 12 greys that I didn't, and I had none before. So I'm a little bit spoiled for choice. But, you know, they seem like a, I mean, I've got it set already. There's a much more lightweight pencil, quite a lightweight pencil. But I really loved using them. You can see most of what I've posted on my YouTube channel is either exclusively Polychromos or majority Polychromos with a little bit of Prismacolor as well. But Polychromos are great for detail. Beautiful at blending. They're an oil-based pencil, so they're harder than some other brands. I'm just going to get a bit of paper and we'll swatch out some of these colours that catch my eye. Okay, so what I've got here is a Strathmore journal. It's Bristol Smooth. It is 270 grams per square metre or 100 pounds. It's very, very smooth. So I'm just going to do some swatches on that. I don't have the room. Too many pencils. Impossible. Okay, so let's get an assortment. First colour is cream. I was trying to read that. I was like, Strugel, what? Very smooth, very easy to put colour down. Let's get one of these beautiful oranges. Dark chrome yellow. Lovely. Middle cadmium red. Very smooth, beautiful to work with. Lost a little bit of stuff there. Get one of these purples. I don't have any purples in the in my 12 set. This one is called Purple Violet. Ooh, very original. Maybe this dark one intrigues me too. This is Dark Indigo. Not as dark as I was expecting. Oh yeah. Just need to layer it more, that's what it's about. Alright, there's so many beautiful blues. Which one do I start with? Cobalt blue greenish. Ooh. And we've got I'm going to try this one. Bluish turquoise. I love that. Bluish, greenish. Ish. Oh, they're quite similar. I mean, yes, it's... I mean, you've got 120 colours. Some of them are going to be a little bit similar. That's just the nature of the beast. Oh, hello, turquoise. That's funny. This paper is so lovely and smooth. Let's just give this a go with the... You see, Polychromos, I find if you're blending with a cotton bud, you can really smooth it out nicely and then layer over the top. Oh, there's so many greens I want to try. Which one first? This is dark phthalo green. Not quite what I was expecting, to be honest. What else have we got? Oh dear, can't get them out of the box. Light phthalo green. These two look very similar. Light green and grass green. I can't remember which one comes in the 12 set. Possibly the light green. Yeah, I think it's the light green. Because this one doesn't go down that well. And I don't think it goes down that well from my one in the 12 set either. Something about that colour. Ooh. This looks like a lovely juniper green. Beautiful smooth gradients. The paper helps with that too. And then we've got this green gold. I keep trying to read out the, is it German? The German name. Earth green. Alright, onto the third tray. Here's a lovely pink. What have we got? Salmon. That is 3. Alright, what next? This looks lovely. What's this? Pompeian red. Light yellow ochre. This brown looks nice. Nougat. Ooh. Let's try some of these warm greys. So this is warm grey 6. Lovely and dark. Let's skip down to warm grey 4. To warm grey 2. That's beautiful. And we'll do cold grey 1. Cold grey 3. Cold grey. Actually, I might do cold grey 6. It's so small. Same tone, same value, but that's slightly warm, that's slightly cool. Just what you want. Payne's grey. I hear a lot of people talk about Payne's grey. Let's put that one down. I'm going to try these metallic colours. Not as smooth. That is silver. And we have gold. Ooh, that is not very pleasant to use. And then copper, I'm assuming? Copper. Oh yeah, slight metallic sheen there. They don't go down very... they're not very pigmented. Not very easy to use. That's alright, I probably won't be using them much anyway, to be perfectly honest. So there you have some colour swatches. I love Polychromos. They go on beautiful and smooth on a smooth paper. They blend nicely with a cotton bud to help smooth them out. So here's that tin with all the colours. Huge range of colours. Honestly, like I said, I don't know how I'm going to go through these all. And I probably won't. There'll probably be some colours that I really don't use that much. But I'm going to make an attempt to try and use as many as possible and just try out different greens and different blues and different reds instead of just using the same red for shading a certain area. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I do already have quite a few videos where I've been using Polychromos pencils, so go and have a look at those if you're interested. I will be doing a full colour piece with this set of Polychromos. I'm going to try and use as many colours as possible, which probably won't really be that many. But just try and use a lot of the colours that I haven't used before and really explore this pencil set. So stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on the video down below. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find me there at Brushes with Beck. And I will see you next week for another video. Thanks. Bye.